Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload high quality stories on Instagram. So first of all, we will go into the Instagram mobile application. But before that, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram mobile application and you make also sure that you have a good internet speed. So we will go into the account setting. Just click on the setting and over here click on the account, and after that click on the cellular data use and turn it off. So after that, whenever you will upload a story, it will be in high quality. So this is it guys, this is how to upload high quality stories over Instagram. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notification. Okay, so see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.